coordinates, everyone. Let's show them what we're made of.
Helicopter launch sequence initiated.
Missiles armed and ready. Missiles prepared for launch. Missiles armed and ready. Cannon ready to fire. Battle stations, this is not a drill. Shoot at my command. Enemy helicopter closing in. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Captain, we've been detected by enemy radar. All posts prepare for battle. Cannon systems armed and standing by. Enemy ship is on fire. Initiating missile strike. Battle stations, this is not a drill. Incoming torpedo. Gun action. Deck gun standby. All engines full stop. Missile silo fire. Eyes on enemy contact. Hull breached. Enemy missile has been destroyed. Missile silo reporting. Missile away. Warning, enemy torpedoes. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Left rudder full. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Enemy ship shattered. Excellent job. Armed and ready to fire. Initiating missile strike. Torpedo noise. Direct hit. Enemy warship destroyed. Right, full rudder. MLRS standby. Missile silo fire. Enemy ship shattered. Excellent job.